Evangelista.
And I'm Malonzo.
Join us today as we know and explore more about open source applications. In the browser game, software developers have constantly updated their products to include all the latest and all the greatest additions in the name of staying competitive. But this certain web browser seemed to have taken a different approach. Today in AppStart, we will discuss about the web browser, Google Chrome, how it started, and how it aims productivity by its simplistic and minimalistic approach. The question now is, did it pay off? And now, here is Malonzo to talk furthermore about Google Chrome.
As of August 2013, Chrome was used by 43% of Internet users worldwide. This study was done by Statista, which also noted that in North America, only 34% of people use Chrome, the lowest in the world. With the given features of Chrome, the proliferation of Internet browsers will give Chrome an opportunity to rise even more. Let's start by looking back to the birth of Chrome and looking at its journey to distinction. Here is Lennix to discuss more about Google Chrome.
Thank you, Angelica and Mara. Google Chrome is a web browser developed by Google. It used the WebKit layout engine until version 27, and with the exception of its iOS release, from version 28 and beyond, uses the WebKit fork link. It was first released as a beta version for Microsoft Windows on September 2, 2008, as a stable public release on December 11, 2008. Google's Eric Schmidt opposed the development of an independent web browser for 6 years. He stated that, at the time, Google was a small company, and he did not want to go through the so-called bruising browser wars. After co-founders Sergey Brin and Larry Page hired several Mozilla Firefox developers and built a demonstration of Chrome, however, Schmidt admitted that it was good, that it essentially forced me to change my mind. And here is Karla to discuss more about the features of Google Chrome.
Google Chrome aims to be secure, fast, simple, and stable. There are extensive differences from its peers in Chrome's minimalistic user interface, which is atypical of modern web browsers. For instance, Chrome does not render RSS feeds. One of Chrome's strengths is its application performance and JavaScript processing speed, both of which were independently verified by multiple websites to be the swiftest among the major browsers of its time. Many of Chrome's unique features had been previously announced by other browser developers, but Google was the first to implement and publicly release them. For example, a prominent graphical user interface innovation, the merging of the address bar and search bar, was first announced by Mozilla in May 2008 as a planned feature for Firefox. However, Google Chrome is among the first to offer a number of different features. This includes
To navigate the web or do a search, start typing into the address bar. It will suggest popular sites, searches, and even pages you've already visited that contain your search terms. To view your most frequently visited websites, simply open a new tab. Google Chrome will automatically display your most visited pages and search engines, as well as recent bookmarks and closed tabs. To launch a web application in its own streamlined Google Chrome window, click the Page menu and select Create Application Shortcuts. A shortcut for this app will appear on your desktop. Click the icon to launch the app in its own Google Chrome window. To open a new tab, hit the plus icon next to an open tab. You can also click and drag the top of a tab to change the order, or even pull a tab into its own window, then put it back in again. To see how much of your computer's resources each of your open web pages is using, right-click the top of the Google Chrome window and select Task Manager. You'll see memory use per tab, and plugins like Flash appear here separately. You can also close tabs that are misbehaving by clicking End Process from inside the Task Manager. To browse the web without storing a record on your computer, click the Page menu and select New Incognito Window. A new window will open in incognito mode. Websites can still collect personal information about you, but nothing from this session will be saved in Google Chrome after you close the window. To help you browse the web more securely, Google Chrome will show a warning message before you visit a site that's suspected of containing malware or phishing. To save your favorite pages, just click the star next to the address bar. Then select Bookmarks bar to access the link from your Bookmarks bar. To import your settings after you've installed Google Chrome, click the wrench menu and select Import Bookmarks and Settings. Select the browser and uncheck any items you don't want to add. Then click Import. To download a file, click the link to start the download. You'll see the download's progress at the bottom of the Google Chrome window. When it's finished, you can drag the file to copy it to your desktop, click on the button to open it, or click on the arrow for more options.
Back to you, Mara and Angelica.
Thank you, Lennix and Karla, for that information.
And now we'll feature a video of Karen Evangelista reporting live from Holy Angel University. Karen.
Thank you, Mara and Angelica. Today, we are here at Holy Angel University to interview some of the students what web browser they prefer to use. Which web browser do you prefer to use?
Google Chrome kasi mas mabilis siyang mag-load at convenient compared to other browsers.
I prefer using Google Chrome. I prefer Google Chrome.
I am a CBA student and I use Google Chrome.
I am a CBA student and I use Google Chrome.
Hi, we are Adrian students. We use Google Chrome. We are nursing students and we use Google Chrome.
Instance, Chrome does not render RSA.